Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my part 3, though this is not Hobby Lobby. This is an HSN haul. I have totally, in my journey of better health, losing weight as a result, needing to actually buy clothes that fit, I literally got on a women's medium this weekend for our granddaughter's birthday party. And so I was just like, oh, I can't believe it. And it was the cut that goes down, and I'm definitely a girl that goes out with, I'm pear-shaped, but it looked darling. And it was just a little Minnie Mouse shirt from LuLaRoe. It was not one of the flared bottoms, and I put on one of those as well. It was a little snug, but I thought, oh, I can't do this. Well, and I thought, well, I'll try the other one. It was actually blousey. So it's just been a journey. But in those moments of what do we do, I'm going to adjust y'all ever so slightly. In those moments of what do we do when we're out and about, my husband said, take food. Take food for us. We're not going to do, no, And I think because my GI tract has been such a wreck, as well as his, we did eat dinner out. It did affect us, but because you can't know what they're putting in things. There's just, in the things you think you're safe on, and then you ask and you find out, oh my goodness, that was totally not a good choice. But we're learning. So everybody, if you've been a part of this channel, you know how much I love my buffalo plaid. And these were on HSN. This is all Tupperware. Isn't this charming? And then these little sleeves can come off to go through the dishwasher. They are just so charming. You have a lid, and then you have like a, if you wanted to turn this around and then keep it from spilling if you have little ones and you want to throw this in a bag or something. Honestly, it's my husband and I, but we definitely can spill. So I wanted to see how hard it was to get on. It's not. It just snaps on, and then it just comes off. So I am literally playing with this with y'all. I took it out of the box and thought I'm not going to touch anything until we talk. But this is the part that I like, because my husband, he'll think that's cute the first time, but by the second time, he's going to be like, I'm taking this off. Yeah, you know, guys are, sorry if you're a guy, but hubbies can be that way. So, but look at this. So we could take our keto cookies. We could take, you know, treats for people. A big, and I plan to put my baked goods for the holidays in this. And I am super excited. And I've been that woman all these years where you save the cookie tins and you reuse them every year. And I'll keep some of that. I'm not getting everything gone, but it's just nice to have it look a little nicer. So, and then look at this one. There is this size. And of course that fits down in there as well. Then, whoops, and everything has a lid. So there's that lid. And then there is this size. Isn't this cute? That has a lid. And then this one is the last size, and that has a lid. And won't that make a darling stacked tower of Christmas treats? And so, because my husband told me, he said, you know, I don't mind this that much, except for that I really want some bread, some crackers, things like that. And I thought, I can do that for you. So, and if you've seen, and I don't know if I've posted yet or it'll be coming, but I'm also trying some pre-done mixes. I also printed out today a bread mix that I can make ahead and use that. And I believe that was from Indigo Neely. And I'm just super, super excited. But then I can make things, put them in the Tupperwares, and then my husband can come in and get stuff. And literally, this was on HSN. It was a crazy price. I do not remember the price. Hold on. Let me see if I have it here. Hold on. It looks like it was $49.24, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces. So, I mean, that's pretty good. And it's Tupperware. So you and I both know it's going to last forever. So, now, the last thing I wanted to share was the cups are, hold on, they are 16-ounce cups. So that's not bad. I don't think I'd put hot in there, but I bet you can. The first Tupperware, the smallest, is 2 cups. The second is, I bet, 3. Hold on. It's 1 quart. So how many cups is that, guys? I don't know. I'm terrible at those conversions. And then this one is 1.5 quarts, the third size. And then the largest size is 2.5 quarts. Not bad. Not bad at all. And since it's just us, we have my husband's planning something special for Christmas. I don't know yet. Don't know a thing, but it's his surprise to me. So, I'm excited. I will have goodies packed up and ready to go at a moment's notice. I literally was printing out more cookies and sweetbread type, keto type recipes for the holidays to keep us on our straight and narrow path. And not that, oh my goodness, you're so strict. No, it's that I don't want to be sick. I don't want to be sick anymore. I don't want my husband to be sick anymore. And so I want us to be healthy. And my husband looks amazing and healthy. And he's doing a great job. And I'll do whatever I can to support him and help him just live a better life. And for myself, if I can live a better life and be healthier, doesn't that bless him too? So, all right, friends, I'm definitely a buffalo check girl. I've loved this since before my parents were ill. So it's been maybe 12 years. So, and I loved it before, but I just really have begun to love it. And I kind of loved it before. I was, you know that song, I was country when country wasn't cool. I was buffalo check when buffalo check wasn't cool. So anyways, it continues on, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed this. Go on HSN. Now, that price I gave you was with if there was shipping, I can't remember, and tax and everything. The great thing about HSN, and I will say this over and over again, you can divide up your purchases in payments, and there's no interest. And yeah, I love that. And that has been such a blessing as I've had to get clothes, for our trips and whatnot. And I literally bought 3 gorgeous extra large kind of glittery glimmery. I have one for Thanksgiving, and it's gold with black, which I could wear on New Year's as well. I have a black on black and a green on green. And I can do the black anytime, any year, because it's not heavy. It has the slacks that are essentially just a knit, and then shimmery knit tank top and shimmery jacket with trim, and the goldest bronze, I think it's bronze on brown, is my absolute favorite. That will be for Thanksgiving, and I'm thrilled to have it. I am so grateful. And they wash, they dry like that. They'll be fantastic for travel. They won't wrinkle. And they were all in extra large, guys. You're talking to a gal. That's a lot. I didn't realize it, but some of the clothes I was wearing were up to 4X. And to be now down, not 1X, but extra large. And I wore a women's medium blouse Saturday. And my husband made me buy a large, beautiful fall sweater, blouse for Thanksgiving at Cracker Barrel. And I was just like, no, I could never wear that. I could never wear that. I could never wear that. I put it on and I was like, oh my goodness, I can wear that. Kind of one of those like, wowzer. So it's just a journey. And am I as thin as I like to be? Of course not. Of course not. I mean, I'll always be curvy. I'll always be pear-shaped. But just the main thing is to stay healthy. And these are tools. I literally was just ordering for Christmas presents bento boxes for my husband and I. And you're probably thinking, well, wait a minute. If you use a bento box, aren't they really too small? So here's my trick. we have this very large, we went to the Corvette Museum last year and this year. My husband loves it. And they had a big, really big ice chest type lunchbox. It's obnoxious yellow. I don't know why they did this color, but they did. And it has tons of pockets on the outside. But on the inside, it's just this deep well. And when we traveled, I just found it to be just a pain in the hiney to have to sort through. And so when I looked at these bento boxes, I thought, oh my goodness, I can get him a color in case he wants to go to work. He has one. And then if he lays it in the lunchbox, or big, small ice chest, big lunchbox, he could literally put his drinks along the side. He'd be totally set to go. Or if I wanted to do for both of us, I could literally layer all three in there. So I bought three, one for him, one for me, and one for spillover, like snacks. I know. Isn't it great? And they are all dirt cheap right now on Amazon. And I bought the one that has all the utensils, all the stuff. And so it's all in one. It's contained. It looks like it won't be too hard on my hands to open and close. And that's always a big factor for me. Like, can I open and close? If I can't open and close, it's a done deal. But, and if you don't know and you're new here, I have lots of arthritis. But anyways, so I ordered those bento boxes. They have all the accessories that go in and all that good stuff. And then all the silverware and whatnot. And so, like I said, I ordered him one for his lunch, one for me for my lunch, and then one for snacks. And that's the hardest thing when we traveled was, okay, we've got snacks in one bag. We've got some stuff in the ice chest. We got some stuff in a box in the back because, 2 or 3 days. We've got some stuff in our little big lunch box, but then you got to dig for everything. And how great would it be to have everything all taken up in those bento boxes, put our drinks along the side, throw some ice packs in, and we're good to go. And so that, plus things like this, and, if you're going to an event, this is so cute. You can set these out, and yet it's not going to break. It's not going to pop open. I made my granddaughters their bunny and bear muffins, and the first thing my sweet husband did was he forgot to bring them in to the girls, which, that was on me as well, but he went back out to get everything, and I didn't realize it because they were just wanting their gifts, and then so I'm gonna because then they fell off the seat where he put them, and I kept telling him, if you put them on the seat, they're not gonna stay. If you put them on the seat, they're not gonna stay. If you put them on the seat, they're not gonna stay. But had I had, I didn't have the lid on. Had I had any one of, especially these, I could have put 3 of their little bunny muffins in here. And they're just little, body of the bunny and the bear, and it's so cute. And then I would just take in my little holder home, and it would have been darling. So I think lesson learned. And I got a whole new thing. I'm going to make them a whole new batch. And I'm not sure if I think I'm just going to mail them to them. I'm not sure. But it was just one of those things. When I got through, I thought, that is ridiculous. What a pain. And he forgot the birthday cards. And I was just like, okay. And we're already late on our son-in-laws, but that's okay. I'm just going to message them later today. But it was just, these long trips have taught me. My husband is planning another really long trip. We are, of course, looking to travel to Florida this summer again, and then that's the first of it. I'm not sure if we'll be going back to Michigan again anytime soon. I'm hoping so I can go see my friend. We couldn't get over there that day, and anyways, long story, we just couldn't. It was further than we thought. It was almost double the drive, and anyway, so when we look at these things, does it save me money to spend $49 and some change to have something I'll reuse and I won't stop and eat out or get off what I want to eat for health, to keep my body healthy? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And the bento boxes right now, I think I got some for $7.99 plus either 5 or 10% off. Yeah, I know. And I looked for the adult size ones. I looked for the complete, everything in it. I was thrilled. I was totally thrilled and so grateful to God. So I will now And you know what's great about these? These are not covered in stickers. Now, all my Hobby Lobby that I've shared with you guys, that is completely covered in stickers. So now I have to get that one packed down. But I'm just going to pack all this down, take it into my kitchen. And these are a little bit taller than this big one. So you may or may not want to store it like this. But for me to take it in the other room, yes, I will. I'm just going to set it all like this. Take these 2 stacks and go get my dishwasher going and get these ready for our holiday season because I will be making cookies tomorrow. Okay, friends, I hope you are encouraged by this series of videos of just purchasing things that are reusable. We're not throwing them out or throwing them away or just, wasting money. And I'm not saying that paper plates don't have a place. I definitely use paper plates and bowls and whatnot. But this just steps it up a bit. It just shushes it up. And we have a trip coming up this weekend. I am going to fill all of these with cookies and snacks. And this set and this will be what we'll take in the car. I know, because the bento boxes are for Christmas. So, Christmas gifts. So I'm super, super excited. I think we're good to go. I think it's all good. And just thankful that this is what God allowed to land before Thanksgiving. So, all right, friends, again, hsn.com, super good deals. I can't remember if this was the deal of the day or not. I tend to only buy those, but they have to be really, really affordable. I'm definitely very much in love with the Lacey Chabert, her clothes, and then the other one is like Lena something. I think it's Lena. I can't remember, but if I think of it, I'll pull those tags. Those I love. I have literally 2 blouses that are like solid with long sleeve, and on the bottom they have rows. The arms are sheer, and then they have rows and rows of gorgeous ruffle of the same sheer kind of chiffon type material with curly edges. And they do not wrinkle. You can put a jacket on and they do not wrinkle. And so I'm super excited to wear those for Christmas. I got black and red, and I'm super excited. I thought black could be New Year's if I wasn't wearing one of my shimmery outfits to something. But if we have a couple of Christmas functions, I could wear those with some black, those 2 blouses with either, if it's casual, blue jeans. If it's not, maybe a black pant or whatnot. And then have those beautiful ruffles, and how nice will that be? And they were very, very affordable. And whenever we travel, I can easily throw those in, and I could wear those in a summer evening because the arms are sheer. I know. It's so HSN has a lot to offer, guys. It really does, more than to me that it ever has. That is price and quality. And I know my size. I know what to wear. So it works out really, really well. And okay, friends, I hope this encourages you. Tell me, what are you doing in your health journey to help you eat healthier, feel like you're not in some yucky old thermos? I mean, I do have some nice thermoses that we use, but you know what I'm saying? What are you doing to shush it up to make you feel blessed? What are you doing to make yourself feel blessed during the holiday season while we're in such a hurry? And how are you prepping ahead so that you can have your little stackables all filled? And if at the last minute you have to head out the door, you can just go in and make a nice chest full or a lunchbox full, and you can just have it for if you're going to go for a drive, if you're going to go see lights, if you're going to go drive to see family, or if you're going to go drive to see a Christmas event, a Christmas show or anything like that. What are you doing ahead to make it easier, cost effective, and blessing you and your family? All right, friends, I can't wait to hear what you say. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. And feel free to share this with anyone that would encourage them, because that's what this channel is about. And lastly, please leave comments. And all of these things don't cost you a dime, and they sure do help the channel. All right, friends, I love you as much as I love you. God loves you so much more. Have a great day, and I will be talking to you soon. Bye, y'all.